Yes, go, yes, go, yes, go. What's up? What's up? What's up, everyone? How you doing? How you doing on social media? How you doing today? Yeah, this is Tech Denroy, starting up my blog, seeing how everyone's doing today, this evening. I know it's a busy. This Sunday is football playing. We're watching here, uh, Florida State and Notre Dame. It's a big game. I'm looking at the score now. Florida Notre Dame is 13. Florida State 7. Real good game there now. Okay, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tech Denver. We're all here to talk about technology. For the new viewers who's the first time seeing my log, my live streaming, my name is Tech Denver. Give me a little background of myself. I have a associate's degree in information system analysis. What I had studied, my background was programming, system analysis. We did a lot of concrete knowing about databases and security. And then I eventually working on my bachelor degree. I have a bachelor degree in information technology. We did this a more intense curriculum, also programming, system analysis, database, and we did a little cybersecurity. And business management, we had also studied the business side of technology. We did business management, accounting. We did a lot of system analysis, but mostly we did the business side of it and the technology side of it. Just let me set this up. We're gonna do a little Q&A. Do a little 15 to 20 minutes Q&A. I'm going to set this email, this chat room, get going here. A lot of people say, why I'm studying technology? Well, it was kind of a niche for me. I did pretty good in the technology area. I have tested well. I said, okay, one thing about technology, you got to continue learning. You just continuing and growing. I'm still continuing growing and learning that particular field and getting my expertise in that particular field in technology. But it's fun. It's really fun. You got to learn the different. You have many areas of technology you can concentrate. You have the database area, you can concentrate in that particular field. You can concentrate in cybersecurity, that's a security field. Or you want to concentrate on the system, just learning the computer systems, and that's another area of technology you're doing. And the second one is website design. You can be a developer, you can design website programming, you can write computer programming, both in the back end and the front end of computer programming. It's gonna set this up, set this email up here. We can do a little Q&A. Gonna set this chat room up here. Okay. What is your niche? Why I chose that profession? What I had chosen. I chose it because I was pretty good at it. I had a good niche of computer, but it was still a learning curve. Learning what aspect, what area I'm pretty strong in. If it's programming, if it's system analysis, database management, it's web designing. I'm a pretty challenging, competitive person. And I like to study each area of that aspect of it. But we didn't study technology. We also did the business end. We did accounting. That's the most important thing because you can learn the technology end, but you must learn the business side of technology if you want to start your own business. And we did a lot of business courses surrounding the technology curriculum. Okay, gonna get this email. This is a new software I'm using. It's always a curve to learn this software in front of how to set this chat room up here. Just give me a minute here. We're gonna set the chat room up. Okay, it's coming right now. I think we're building up here. Okay, I'm gonna make and say hello to everyone here. Okay. Any question? I think I got it here. Yeah, I have this email set up here. Okay, yeah, we're gonna do a little Q&A, little 20 to 15 minutes Q&A. You can talk about everything dealing with technology. We're gonna start off with cybersecurity, how to prevent to get hacked, what to do, what software to use on your computer. There are many different software out there, antivirus wise. Norton have a good computer package. You have, let me look up here, Kaspersky, that's another antivirus program that's very good on the market. Microsoft Defender, that's one of the best free antivirus program out there is Norton, Microsoft Windows Defender. I worked for a non-profit organization, and didn't have the funding to get the license to get so many software license for a program, the antivirus program, and this is just really limited on that. And I just did 20 machines, and I installed Microsoft Windows Defender. I installed that on their system there. This is free. It's the best known software free Microsoft Windows Defender. It had malware. It can prevent any virus program out there. Most of these free antivirus programs, it's basic junk. It's like a lot of more adware in these free antivirus programs than ever before, but I know the best free ones out there is Microsoft. Microsoft have the Windows Defender. That's the best free antivirus program out there. But there's so many. They got so many out there. Many. If you want the paid version of it, then you have the free version of Microsoft Windows Defender. That's the free version of the antivirus program. And then they have to pay one. They have many one out of there. How to protect yourself for getting hacked? Yes. It's very difficult, especially you browsing through the internet and find out what it's a lot of things like it's called phishing. It's the email you click or website you click, and you basically get it through email, and you kind of think it's a legitimate website like from Amazon, and then you click it, and then the virus just attack your system. That's another form of phishing. It's like information you think it was legitimate information from a legit website like Amazon or Best Buy, and you click it, and then the virus they'll attack your system, they'll hold your system from ransom, and that's like a form of phishing. Okay, anyone have any question? Just click away, don't be shy. Please hit that like button. I'm also live on Facebook and YouTube. I'm still working on some other sites, some other social media sites. I'm still working on that there. Okay, Let's click away, don't be shy. Click away. What password to use, how to manage password, what, yes, one is a user password, so you want to save passwords. It's called Password Manager. I'm looking it up. It's a LastPass. That's a particular program generated password for you. Can save it, security in one central place, and even automatically assert them for you as you browse. So it's a program right there called LastPass, and it's organized your passwords. It set your you got your passwords, and it automatically generate your password, and that's most important. You have to have a rather than 1, 2, 3 or a really simple password to use, and it's like more vulnerable to somebody can break in your system. You got to mix up between numbers, uppercase, lowercase letters, and a combination of that. I know it's difficult. Yeah, then don't use the same password for Facebook, Twitter. Really change password because a lot of people have the same password for multiple social media sites, and that's really kind of weak on security because once they can pinpoint one password for one social media, they use that password for all the social medias, and it's a good thing to have a password for all social media, the same password. Okay, let me look around the password, encryption, PC encryption, defenders. Look around here. Anyone have any questions and any things to add on here? Dealing with okay, one question you asked for traveling, yeah. Virtual private network, that's VPN. I try because you don't want anybody getting into your data, especially if it's from a foreign country. I gotta get that system, yeah. They got a lot of things on the market there with the VPN. VPN, yeah, VPN. Virtual private network. We do travel. You want security. You want to know you're using a foreign network, and you have to find out what's the best VPN in the market out there. Okay, so here. Looking up here. One VPN I had used is Nord. VPN is NORD. That's a virtual private network, and that's the one I particularly use when I'm traveling. If I'm starting traveling, another one is Surfshark. That's SURFCHRK. That's another virtual private network to use. what he used to do, the simplest thing for me was one to understand was what is a private, virtual private network. It is the simplest form of the best works by tuning your connection to its own encrypting server. It has its own encrypting servers with hitting your activity in your ISP, internet service provider, and anymore else might be watching you and making sure say, okay, it's anyone telling you to think it's used at a foreign location, it would set and encrypt these database, encrypt the technology and encrypt the data you're using, transmitting in the communication, and it will prevent anyone thinking you are using a private network. It's really good, and I advise anyone who's traveling and they are using a tablet or smartphones or to kind of invest in a virtual private network. That's really keep you safe if you go on a board, you're traveling overseas, traveling to another country. And then I go, they have the one best here. They have one Express, virtual private network, Nord, Surfshark, Hotspot. Just look up VPN services, and you have a list of virtual private network out there. Okay, I'm gonna check this log here for anyone. Okay, fire away. We got about 10 more minutes. The Q&A for 10 more minutes. Fire away. Okay, everyone, I'm going to put a link here. If you have, this is a tip for this to help me improve my audience, and what my main goal is to help everybody, educate everybody in technology. And I'm going to put this link here. This is a tip link if you have any offering, you want to offer into my cause, and this is a good cause, is helping everyone learn technology and educating them how to benefit technology is good in a good way. And this is a website I have here. It's a link showing my donation. You can give me a small donation of my website, and just using this as an improvement. I have a couple of websites I have designed, and one is Denroy Tech Blog. And I also have a digital portfolio. I'm working on some couple of projects I'm working on. I'm also in programming. My strongest area, I'm concentrating right now is programming and web development. I'm software engineer, and I'm concentrating that particular area field. Okay, I'm going to set up this link here. This is a tip link. This will help improve my live blogs, getting the hardware and the civil hardware, the stuff to improve, and basically I just want to educate everyone in in that particular field of technology, and that will help my cause there. Okay. Make sure everyone get that particular link there. Get it here. Down here. Okay, let's set that up down. Okay, yeah, let's see. I'm gonna do a resend of it. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in that chat room link. I can just give me a small offering, a tip that will really help my cause. Okay, let's set it up. Okay, it's got it there. Okay, yeah, that's really help my cause. You can basically, you have your name, you set everything up here. You can just go from $1 all the way to $10. That's really help my cause of working on LIMP, get the necessary software, improve this LIMP, and better benefit the community. It's all about helping the community and technology also. Yeah. Oh, one question. What is cool shirt? Yeah, I had this a couple of years ago. This is my DJ shirt. Yeah, it's real. You can take a look at it here. Yeah, it's a cool DJ shirt I have. Yeah, I really like this. It's a special occasion like this here. And this is my little DJ's t-shirt here. Yeah, but, okay, everyone, that's enough of the Q&A. I think it's over. You know, we all want to get back to the football game. I also want to get back to the football game, find out what the score for Notre Dame and Florida State. I had watched the previous game, college game. It was yesterday. It was that Georgia game. It was a really good game, that Georgia game, Georgia Bulldog. It was a really good game. I had watched that last night. Yeah, I'm going to get back and watch that Florida State and Notre Dame game. Everyone have a good Labor Day. Take care, be safe, and bye-bye. You'll see, take them one at a time. I might say some links. Just hit that like button, and we'll see you again.